Imagine for a second what your life would be like if you had an AI robot that worked 24/7 to make money online for you. What I want to show you in this video is that the tools now exist to make that totally possible. So just for fun, I've gone ahead and asked Google Gemini to generate a stunning 3D image of a robot that just does your job for you and earns fat paychecks while you spend the rest of your life on vacation. And so AI has already done that. So right here you can see an image of a robot working online on a beach to make money. So we're just having a little fun here, but the question everyone has is how do we turn this AI content into money, right? It used to take hours to create something like this. You'd have to learn how to do editing or you'd have to hire somebody to do it. But what I want to show you is how to automate social media marketing and make money with automation. So go ahead and comment AI business if that is something you want to do. So I have a free checklist that goes into more detail about this, and you can grab that from profitpassively.com. But basically, what this checklist does, and what I'm going to show you in this video, is how to grow a social media account to over 1,000 followers fast, and then start getting opt-in to an email list, which is going to sell other people's products on autopilot and basically make sales around the clock so that you can earn passive income. And you can do this all without showing your face, without a bunch of startup fees, and without having to do any customer service or phone calls or pranks or dancing or skits or being ridiculous or anything like that. What I want to show you how to do is earn commissions like this. I've done what I'm going to show you here and earn tens of thousands of dollars in multiple different affiliate programs. So that's what I want to show you how to do. But before we go any further, I want to show you what this has done for me and the importance of these automation tools and AI tools. So for the past 2 years, my wife and I have been traveling the country, hiking and exploring awesome places like you see here while this system makes money online for us. Now, there's a little bit of management. I spend a couple hours per day online, but we spend the vast majority of our time out in nature and doing what we love. But this is not about me. Maybe you don't like spending time in nature. Maybe you like going out to clubs or playing video games. Whatever it is, I've got the exact steps here that you can follow to set up one of these systems for yourself. So if you want to see more of my travel pictures and my personal life stuff, that's on my Instagram at James Jernigan AI. I tried sharing stuff like that here on YouTube and Facebook, but it seems people just want the tutorials, so we'll jump into that. So here are the exact steps. Like I said, go ahead and leave a comment that says AI business if you want a robot that works 24/7 to make you money online. So here are the exact steps. Step one is to find a company that will pay you for sharing links to their products. Obviously, if you want to make money online, you need something that will send you money. So I've made it really easy to get started with that. You could just head to copythelist.com. And so at copythelist.com, all you have to do is click one of these green buttons, and you can make a copy of my spreadsheet of all of the best affiliate offers to promote using AI. You just click one button. You can either download the spreadsheet to your device or copy it into your Google Sheets account. But either way, that is the first step. So step two is to then grab the landing page and email automation software, which, by the way, you can get for free from funnelsforever.com. So once you do that, you're just going to come to funnelsforever.com, click the button that says grab your 30-day free trial. And the reason you're going to want to do that is so that you can set up this system that I'm going to show you here. This is the system that actually turns this social media content, this AI generated content, into money. So the next step is going to be to use Google Gemini to write your email sequence and create social media content. So I already showed you how to do that to create image content here using Google Gemini. It takes 30 seconds to type a prompt. It gives that to you. Now you can go and share that on social media. There's also tools that will let you create videos the same way, and again, those are all on the list at copythelist.com. But the point is you can use AI to create whatever content you want. So for example, here now I'm going to have Google Gemini write a sequence of 7 sales emails that promote an all-in-one funnel builder and email management software called Go High Level, except call the tool funnelsforever.com. The emails are coming from me, James Jernigan. So here now it's written me an email sequence. So now all I have to do to sell this product is copy this email right here and put it into the email automation software here. So here's a diagram of what that looks like. And by the way, here's what an affiliate link looks like. They just give you this link here and it says share on social media, share this link with your friends and followers. So I'm literally just going to copy this link that they give me here, and then I'm going to copy the content from Google Gemini here and put it into the email automation software at funnelsforever.com. And now here's what happens. We're going to use AI, like I said, to generate social media content, whether it's image content, text content, or video content. And we're going to post that content to social media. And then we're going to send that traffic to an opt-in. So the reason we're going to do that is because a lot of times people are going to see this affiliate link. They're going to take a look at this link that makes you money, and then what happens is a lot of people bounce and they leave the page without buying the offer. So what getting them to opt in does is now we can send these AI generated emails, and like I said, this doesn't take any time at all. You just watch me generate 7 of them by clicking a button. So we're literally just going to copy and paste these emails into the autoresponder, and now suddenly these people are getting, if you set up 7 of these, then you've 7x'd your chance of making an affiliate sale here. If you wanted to get crazy, you could go ahead and set up 30 of these. You could set up a 30-day email sequence, and then you would have 30x'd your chance of making a sale here. And that way, if people see the offer and bounce multiple times, they still get sent back to this link that ultimately makes you money. So obviously, the more clicks you get on this affiliate link, the more money you make, and we're going to be using AI content for the entire process. So if we come back and we look at the steps here, the next step, step 4, is to schedule the AI content months in advance using a tool at automatereels.com. Now, what this tool does is let me schedule any type of content, text content, photo content, and video content to a number of different profiles. So here you can see I shared this to 7 different accounts, a TikTok account, several Facebook accounts. You can use this to post to Instagram or YouTube or TikTok. But using this automation here is what lets me and my wife spend time out exploring places like the Grand Canyon, lakes up in the Sierra Nevadas in California, the Rocky Mountains in Colorado, canyons in Utah, and all these different places because automation is doing the work for us. So like I said, it's a lot simpler than most people think to set this stuff up. You just actually have to follow these 4 simple steps. So in the last step, step 5, is to just earn commissions on autopilot every time someone buys through your link. So it's really that simple. If you look at the diagram, we're using AI content to post to social media, which then sends people to an opt-in page. And once they opt in, they then get AI-generated emails that sell products for us. So the last thing I want to show you here before I let you go is if this sounds a little complicated and you want me to just set this entire AI system up for you, I've made it possible for us to make that happen. You can just head to profitableBots.com, and at profitableBots.com you can join my school community, and inside my school community you are going to get access to a number of different courses I've created. The first one where it says start here is the one I'm working on now with the latest information I have on what I do, and I've also included every course I've made in the past about making money online. So there's a course on how to profit from short videos like TikTok and Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. There's Facebook tutorials, and then there's even a couple black hat tutorials here if you want to learn how to send 100,000 cold emails per day. I'll show you how to do that. I'll show you how to rank your videos on the first page of YouTube in a way that's almost cheating, and whether you do it or not, you can at least understand what a lot of people are doing to get a lot of traffic from YouTube. And that's all in here, as well as the community where you can connect with other people in the community. But the main point of this is for everyone who joins my school community from now on, what I'm doing is I'm actually setting up your Funnels Forever account for you. So what that means is all you have to do is once you join my school community, just come here to funnelsforever.com, start your free trial, and then send me a message inside the school community. And there's a number of ways you could do it. You can either just send me your login information and then I'll set it up and you can change your password once I'm done. Or there's actually something inside the settings where you can go and grant me access to my account using my email address. But either way, just send me a message here on school. Let me know how you want to do it. And what I'll do is I'll go and I will go into your account and set up your opt-in page. And then I'll go ahead and set up a 7-day AI email sequence for you that promotes this tool, funnelsforever.com itself. Again, this is go high level. funnelsforever.com is my affiliate link. So if you join my school community and you sign up using my affiliate link at funnelsforever.com, I will come in and set this up for you using your affiliate link here, so that basically all you have to do is send the traffic. Obviously, I can't run your business for you. I'm too busy promoting mine. I can't promote your business as well. But what I can do is set up this whole automated system. So literally all you have to do is post the AI generated content to your account, and then the whole rest of this system will run on autopilot to make you money online. So that's what we're doing inside my school community. Like I said, there's every course I've made in the past there as well, and I'd love to see you in there. I'd love to set this system up for you. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making tutorial.